Saying number 333. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." A believer has a cheerful face, a sorrowful heart, a very broad chest, full of generosity, and a very humble heart. He hates high position and dislikes renown. His grief is long, his courage is far-reaching, his silence is much and his time is occupied. He is grateful, enduring, buried in his thoughts, sparing in his friendship with others, of bright demeanor and of soft temperament. He is stronger than stone but humbler than a slave.